The divinity in you worships life. The darkness around us warships death, weavers. Humans in unity, humanity. We are super beings, especially when we're being kind. Our emotions, our power. Truly divine. To minimize that is the work of the enemy. How better to control your enemy than to hide their powers from them, dismiss them, distract them, disconnect them. Humanity thrives when human beings are being kind. Humanity thrives when human beings are being kind. Humanity thrives when human beings are being kind. There is no race. The human race was created by other beings designed to enslave us. Humanity thrives when human beings are being kind. Eyes are the window to the soul. Don't sell your soul to your phone. The eyes are the window to the soul. You need to connect with each other, eye to eye, soul to soul, heart to heart. Make sure you have this connection and you have it strong. If you can't look at your fellow man eye to eye and make that connection and feel the unity in humanity, eye to eye, soul to soul, a smile should come across your face. I see you, you see me. The light in me sees the light in you. We need to do that as we pass each other in the stores and in the streets, because that's how we see the ones among us who do not have a light in their eyes. That's how we recognize the ones among us who do not belong, the ones among us who do not belong, the ones that are here to divide and conquer. If you're filled with fear and doubt and depressing thoughts and low energy, low frequency, then they've got you. You need to put it down. You need other souls to surround you. Eye to eye, soul to soul. That's the way out of the hole. Eye to eye, soul to soul. That's the way out of your hole. Rise up. United we stand, divided we fall.